Question. Find the missing term. Here we are given 3 patterns and we have to find the missing pattern. Also, we are given 4 options. In this figure, we are given 3 patterns. Pattern 1, pattern 3 and pattern 4. We have to find the missing pattern, pattern 2, by identifying the predefined rule in the patterns. Analyzing the patterns, we can clearly say that there is one of the mathematical operators, addition, multiplication, division and subtraction in each of the given figures, and the position of the mathematical operator is moving clockwise. Thus, the mathematical operator in the missing pattern is multiplication and its position is as shown below. Since the mathematical operators are moving in a clockwise direction, we can say that in the missing pattern, pattern 2, the position of the mathematical operator multiplication is clearly here. Now, for understanding the predefined rule in the patterns, let us label the region containing the mathematical operator as region 1 in all the 4 patterns and the rest of the regions as region 2, region 3, region 4 respectively in the clockwise direction. So, our 4 patterns can be labeled like this. Then, the predefined rule in each of the figures can be stated like this. That is, the number in region 3 operated with the mathematical operator in region 1 over the number in region 4 gives the number in region 2. Now, consider pattern 1. This is the corresponding labeling of pattern 1. Comparing with the predefined rule, we can clearly see that in pattern 1, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. That is, the number in the region 3 operated with the number in the region 4 gives the number in the region 2. Now, we are going to consider our missing pattern, pattern 2. We have found that the mathematical operator multiplication comes here in our missing pattern. Analyzing the 4 options, we can see that only option A and option C has the multiplication operator in this exact position. And this is the labeling of our missing pattern, that is pattern 2. And comparing with the predefined rule, we can clearly see that only option A satisfies the predefined rule and therefore our missing pattern is option A. And it satisfies the predefined rule. 7 into 2 is equal to 40. That is, the number in the region 3 operated with the number in the region 4 gives the number in the region 2. Similarly, in pattern 3, on comparing with the predefined rule, we can clearly see that 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Also, in pattern 4, we can say that 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So, we have found that all our 4 patterns satisfies the predefined rule and our missing pattern is this one. So, the correct answer is option A.